The KLUDGE S98 is an entry-level mechanical keyboard that really feels anything but basic. It comes in a few different colorways and 2 switch options with the tactile and the linear switches. I'm using the pale green tactiles. They've got a crisp bump and a soft thock that's satisfying without being too loud. The PBT keycaps are durable. They're great for long-term use. They've got a nice little texture on there. Kind of hard to see in this video, but it's got a nice texture to it. The built-in screen is super fun. It shows the time here, but also you can switch it up to and add a GIF with the software that it comes with. So if I switch to the GIF here, so we've got a Helldivers GIF there, pretty sweet. You can use the software to configure the RGB, but also you can use this screen as well, which is pretty sick. There's tons of different RGB. There's actually, in fact, 19 different RGB modes, which is really neat. You can also do custom ones and define specific areas or keys that you want to have RGB on them or not. Pretty fun stuff. The volume knob feels really premium. If I look at that a little bit, has a premium clicky feel to it. Hear that? Pretty nice. It's got a nice press to confirm what you're selecting. Connectivity super flexible. You can do Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz with a dongle that it comes with, or wired. And if you're like me and you switch between a couple different machines, there's a little switch right here on the side. If you look at it, there's a switch right here that I can switch between Bluetooth and USB, 2.4 gigahertz. So I switch back, goes to my 2.4 gigahertz, and I can use my other machine in just a fraction of a second. So it's really, really cool. The sound test is great. Like I said, very thocky, a little bit creamy almost. I really like it without being too overly loud. For the price, this really delivers on function and style. It's definitely worth checking out. It also has some adjustable feet on it, so you can adjust it higher or lower. And this thing is heavy. I think this thing weighs about 3 pounds, so this is not going anywhere. I was coming from a keyboard from a pre-built machine, and this is really awesome.
Here's my keyboard. I have like a little rainbow raindrop theme going on. So there's actually a lot of weight. I think you can connect it through cable, Bluetooth. I have it connected to the 2.5 USB option. And as soon as it comes, you can install the program, which is this arcade keyboard. And here you have the options of editing. You can edit the lighting. They have so many options for it. They have like a still one where it's just doesn't move. You also have this is the one that I have, the raindrop one. You can also do one where you as soon as you click, the color appears. I think that one's called Ripple. And then awesome thing here is that you can put a GIF here or TFT, and then you also have the options here for volume and other settings, language, menu, lighting, color. And then here on the left side is the USB-C type and on and off. And then you charge it through there as well. It's pretty heavy. I also love the sound it makes. And then from here, you can customize your TFT. You can upload. You can also change the colors and everything. I've had it for over a year now, and I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. I like it.
RGB, just like right through here. Yeah. Do whatever. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, and check this out. Boom. There it is. That's sweet. Oh yeah, here's how it sounds. No. Straight out of the box. No modifications whatsoever. I mean, it's nice. I'm probably not going to do anything with it. Honestly, it's perfect. No notes.
All right, quick review on the Royal Kludge. I've had it for a few days now. It is definitely not a quiet keyboard, so if that's what you're looking for, definitely look somewhere else. But overall, the build quality feels great. It's got a nice weight to it. Again, little LCD screen, controlled with this metal dial. What I like is it is Bluetooth, or it does have the USB adapter if you prefer to use that. But again, you can connect it to your phone wirelessly, tablets, however, whatever you want to connect it to. I will say I was very impressed by the amount of customization you can do on all of the lighting. There's a ton of different effects. And again, just everything changes. The RGB behind the keys. So I thought that was pretty impressive, especially for the price. Overall, great keyboard. And again, you can move the keys pretty easily. So that's something I will definitely be customizing here in the near future.
Here is the keyboard. I bought this one and the Keychron K4 at the same time. Leaps and bounds, this one was way better. The keys are just more solid. The Keychron was like loose. The typing on this just sounds amazing. The number pad, I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but having the big 0 down here, if you're using this for work at all and you need that 0 down there, this thing is just great. Highly recommend. I never thought I would be a connoisseur of keyboards, but after I've had this thing, I don't think I'd ever change anything else. Definitely buy it if you guys are looking at it.